Hi guys, it's Ella and I'm here unboxing the iPhone 16. And not just any iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Pro. First of all, I have the iPhone itself and a case that I got from Amazon. First of all, of course, starting with the iPhone, let's actually look at how beautiful this picture is of the phone. Like, it's gorgeous. Of course, on the side, we have a shiny iPhone. We have the Apple logo and another iPhone. On the back, of course, there's all of the information and the tabs, which will let us begin this journey. Yes, I'm calling it a journey. Next of all, the case is very simple. It's a nice box. It says a phone case, so you know what it is. And I believe that there might be a few surprises in there. Okay, so, we've looked at the phone. Let's actually see if we can spot some of the buttons. So here, we got, of course, the power button. We have the tiny little action button and the two volume buttons. And here, I forgot on which side it is. You guys may know, there's the camera control button. Alright, I think we've observed this phone a lot. Well, just by the cover. What if we turn around and start actually unboxing? I love doing that. So, let's start with the tabs. Of course, you guys know that this is the first step of unboxing any iPhone. So satisfying. And of course, we have the top one because, well, one of them isn't enough. This iPhone is officially open. Now, let's get into it. And for the review, guys, I do not even want to touch this. It is so beautiful. And some of you guys might be like, how is the phone so beautiful? Well, if you see it in person, it's like shiny. I love the color. It's like a rose gold, but pastel. And I love pastel colors. Oh, here's my cat Rafi, who came to join in on the unboxing. Okay, well, let's get into this. I'm not even gonna really unbox the phone yet because this is too beautiful to be unboxed. Okay, meanwhile, that's on the side. Let's look at what we got. Guess what? No more stickers. I guess we didn't really use them that much, but we got a new setup. We have the beautiful cable. Yes, I'm calling everything beautiful. And we have USB-C on both sides. So that's convenient. Now, let's see what we got next. If we were to take it out. Ooh, I never realized this surprise. We have a little secret down here. It says iPhone, as I can read. If we pull this tab, I believe this is, yep, the instruction manual. And it's not even connected. So you got each part itself. And of course, a little recycling sign, which means this box can be recycled. Okay, so you guys are probably still waiting for me to actually unbox the phone. I guess we should get into it. So, once more, before we open the phone, we gotta just admire it because it is beautiful. Like, just look at this. It's gorgeous. The color is amazing. And then we got the side with the power button and the camera control button. On this side, we have the tiny action button and the sound control buttons. Okay, as you can see, we have this beautiful piece of paper, which I love peeling off. It's so satisfying. So now, the time, the moment, whatever you want to call it, that you have all been waiting for. Let's open fully the iPhone 16 Pro. And that's over. Now, I don't even want to touch the screen. It's so shiny. I bet you can already see the camera's reflection in it. I can see my own reflection. I mean, that's how shiny it is. It's basically a mirror. Well, we observed this phone, how shiny it is. I don't really know what else there is. Oh, wait a minute. The phone case. We can't forget about the case for our own phone. Now, let's put this phone on the side. Make sure it does not get scratched. Now, let's open the phone case. Okay, so we have an installation package. Well, I thought we just got the case. Wait. No way! A little gift. Screen protectors. And not just one, 2 of them. That's amazing. Oh, I have another surprise. Look at these 2 adorable penguin stickers. I think these are definitely going on the case. And here's the case itself. It's really fluffy back here. We have a little hole for the camera control button. Of course, we all know this little bump here for the power button. We have the action button and of course the volume buttons. And this humongous camera. Well, should we put the case on the phone? Yeah. We got the phone. Last looks at it, guys. And now it's going into the case. Oh, and guess what? The phone just decides to turn on. I guess it chooses on its own. I love how the case looks on the phone. It hugs the phone so tightly, but in a way that's so cool. And we have the introduction. Well, since it's already started on its own, let's kind of get into this. Let's just, swipe up. And, well, not to really leave you on a cliffhanger, guys, but this is where it's ending. Bye! Peace!